Hi. Yoo-hoo. Okay.
This
Oh.
is Sparta!
According to mommy ba? So, for Narnia and for Ansal.
Ansal.
Sama kami, uy. Murag ka ng murag ka ng time nila Moses, may kamungkin. Hinta mo sa kuan, Promised Land. Asan Promised Land?
Ano naman?
They look like they were born in the years of Moses and all those people. They're looking for a promised land or something.
Okay. Nangita ni sila og paniod to. Okay, what's dang food? Yeah.
What is it like?
They're waiting if chipmunks gonna come out.
Kapuy. Kapuy. Tired me. I'm kind of tired. Kapuy.
Kapoy.
From my PSP.
What is it when
Ta-da.
what is it called when you like something sour goes back down?
That's like heartburn. Digestion?
I
Heartburn?
had that just now.
Okay, so get over there.
Ah, I'm gonna take my pill, I think.
I'm gonna.
I'll take off
Woods, woods, trees. It's a very,
I have thunder though.
very dense forest.
Guys, humangnaba ko ikabot ha.
We're almost on the Pacific Crest Trail going. It will be going to Crater Lake soon.
Is there like a reporter?
Are you a blogger now?
I am.
Vlog. That's called vlog. Video
Travel.
vlog.
They are so tired after only a quarter mile of walking.
not a
That,
quarter.
oh, it's more than that. That's right. Huh? What?
That was a quarter. That was more than a quarter.
I got cookies.
Me too. You guys want cookies? Chocolate chip?
Peanuts. Peanut too.
No.
Peanut.
Peanut.
Oh, I remember in
That's-
science class, freshmen, they like say peanut tubo, like peanut tubo. Not peanut tubo. It's called
Okay,
the full-
let's call our rescue, the helicopter.
your chopper. Where will it land?
Oh, no signal.
Picture na lang. Get me to picture.
See the trail?
You can send it to me, then when I have my phone, then. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture. Smile.
We're both taking pictures of each other.
Lots of mosquitoes, though. That's the only
Island.
problem. If you don't spray off on you, you'll be eaten alive out here. That's the only bad thing about this. There are also some mountain lions and bears,
Here. Yes.
but as long as you're making noise, they won't bother you.
1, 2, 3.
The worst thing about it is the mosquitoes and the big horse flies that take bites of skin off from you.
Diba? Okay, imong smile, makakagkuan. Makakag-pudding face imong smile. She smiled like she had a pudding face.
She had a pudding face or a pudding?
Or, no, like pudding face, you know, like,
She had a pudding, not she had a pudding face.
no, she has a
Pudding smile.
yeah. Okay.
Pudding face.
Yeah, she has a
Okay, sweetie, how do you turn this off?
weird thing. Just close it. I'm gonna bring a bicycle.
Right there in front of your face. It's chasing you. It's in your face.
Me! Is it on my face?
You ran back into it when you turned around. Yeah, it's probably on me.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
I want to go where the water is now.
Wait.
Let's go.
I want to drink cold water
Let me
from the
find
ground. I haven't done that one.
What place is this now, sweetie?
Right here?
the trail.
Why?
The Y in the trail.
The Y in the trail.
Yeah.
The way
It's like a Y.
It's a
Go
big.
that way on
That
the
means it's a big question mark.
Y?
No, letter Y.
No, number Y. Let's go.
We're gonna make it back, sweet. Where's the hammock? Bring a hammock, sweet.
It's Suneth. You can use Suneth's bag. Backpack.
Okay, so Ken is drinking the water that he
Basic
got
mineral water.
from
Yeah, but it's real
that one right there. It's disgusting. But
So cold.
the taste. Ah!
real water.
It's gross. It's
Look at waste
from the
this.
ground.
There's lots more.
Ken!
What?
Ah!
So cold.
Sa video ko.
Right there. Okay.
Ayaw ambak, Suneth, ha? Ayaw ambak. Ayaw ambak. Hindi.
What?
Did you see gold?
Ganit na lang ang tubig. Over there, there's a lot of plants over there with
Wait. Mac,
$5 if you stand.
I gave you.
same as